Hey, Greg Marchand here. Why do we even bother with certifications? Look, I know what the inside, maybe in the shop, feeling is about certifications, and I get it. But here's the thing. The certification isn't just about knowledge. It's about marketing. Because if you can hang a certification on the wall where your customers see it, it makes the customers feel like, you know what, these guys attend training, these guys are keeping up with technology, and these guys give a hoot about what they do. That's the real importance of certifications. So make sure that your shop has a certification program for everybody in it. Incentivize on that program, make sure people attend the classes associated with that certification, and make sure they take their certification tests. Hit that subscribe button, keep up the great work, and never, ever, ever stop learning.